Hello, my name is Daksh Chawla and I will be presenting a physics project today. The physics project is on types of machines. A simple machine is a mechanical device that changes the direction or magnitude of a force. In general, they can be defined as the simplest mechanisms that provide mechanical advantage, also called leverage. Usually, the term refers to the six classical simple machines which were defined by Renaissance scientists. 1. Lever, 2. Wheel and axle, 3. Pulley, 4. Inclined plane, 5. Wedge and 6. Screw. Lever is a simple machine. It is something that can be used in a lot of ways. One way is by measuring things or by seeing which way is more. A lever is supported by a fulcrum which it uses to lift weights. It is one of the six simple machines. There are three types of levers. First class, second class and third class. First, second and third class lever. In a type 1 lever, the pivot is between the effort and the load. In an off-center type 1 lever, like a pliers, the load is larger than the effort but is moved through a smaller distance. In a type 2 lever, the load is between the pivot and the effort. In a type 3 lever, the effort is between the pivot and the load. A pulley. A pulley is something that is used to lift heavy objects. It is a kind of simple machine. It is sometimes called a block and tackle. Pulleys are usually used in sets designed to make the amount of force needed to lift something smaller. Types of pulleys. 1. Static. A static or a class 1 pulley has an axle that is static or stationary, meaning that it can't be moved. A fixed pulley is used to redirect the force in a rope. A fixed pulley has a mechanical advantage of 1. A movable pulley or a class 2 pulley has an axle that is free to move in space. A movable pulley is used to transform forces. A movable pulley has a mechanical advantage of 2. Wheel and axle. A simple machine consisting of an axle to which a wheel is fastened so that the torque applied to the wheel winds a rope or chain onto the axle, yielding a mechanical advantage equal to the ratio of the diameter of the wheel to that of the axle. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a simple machine. It allows one to use less force to move an object. It helps one to move an object from a lower level to a higher level. A wedge. A wedge is a simple machine. People use this machine to separate two things. Sometimes people use a wedge to split a thing into two or more parts or to fix things tightly. Screw. A screw is a sharp piece of threaded metal similar to a nail. Unlike a nail, a screw has spiraling grooves down its spike.